accusations require evidence, Alex. Explain the reasoning behind this specific angled tube modification.
This year's STEM scholarship will go to the strongest student science project. Original idea, working model, clear explanation.
What are you drawing? Nothing. Nothing? A plant thing? A smart water saver. It checks soil moisture and only waters when the plant actually needs it.
That could win. You build things, I present well, we could actually win this.
You want to work with me?
Don't make it weird, it's a good idea.
Okay. Let's make one account for everything.
For everything?
Yeah, one folder. Both of us can use it. I'll organize the research and build the slides. I'll finish the sensor and water system. We actually have a real project. We have the beginning of one. I made the model photo the main image. It might change again. Then I'll replace the photo again. You say that now.
It's basically drowning. The sensor is getting wet before the roots.
So it's wrong. I can fix that. It thinks the plant is thirsty when it's basically drowning.
I can fix that.
Turning an idea into a working product is a long and difficult journey.
Seriously? Sorry, the tube angle is wrong. You said that yesterday.
I know, but this time I know why.
You always know why after it fails.
That's how fixing works.
No. That's how losing time works. This thing doesn't work. It almost works. Because every failure tells us what to fix.
I'm not losing a scholarship over a leaking box. So you're quitting? I'm being realistic.
Realistic is what people call giving up when they don't want to say giving up. Good luck winning with a puddle. Okay, again.
Okay, test 4.
Too tight. I need a wider turn. The roots stay dry, but the sensor gets wet first. That's the real problem. Leak at the side. Sensor reacts before the roots get wet.
Same leak.
Different pressure.
The light says dry, but this side is already soaked.
Wrong again. Then I try again.
Still not working?
It failed differently this time.
That sounds bad.
It means I fixed something.
Eat before you fix the next thing.
I will. After this note.
Good failure?
No. This one worked. Leak. Sensor delay. Wrong angle. Final version. Final presentation. Saved. Everything's there. One final check tomorrow. Still early. One last check. Shared account. Presentation folder. Submitted? I didn't submit it.
My photos. My data. Even the tube fix. Mason? He used the shared account. He submitted my final file.
No. I'm asking him now.
Mason,
What?
you know what? You submitted my project. Our project. You left. I started it too.
You started it, then you left when it got hard. The project account had both our work. The final file was mine.
The scholarship goes to the project that gets submitted, not the person who complains afterward.
You don't even understand the final version.
I know enough.
Then explain the tube angle fix. Tell me why the sensor failed.
I don't have to prove anything to you. You know the title slide.
Then prove it.
I will.
Alex? Mason submitted the project. He used our shared account.
He left the project, but the account was still shared. I saved the final presentation there last night. This morning, it was already submitted under his name.
Slow down. Start from when Mason left. The file came from the shared project account, and the project began with both names.
But Mason left before the final version.
Alex, I understand why you're upset, but the submission came from an account both of you could access. I need proof that you complete the final version.
You think I'm lying? No. I think the truth still needs evidence.
Bring me your notes, videos, earlier files, anything that shows the process will show it.
Okay.
Tell me exactly what happened.
Mason used the shared account. He found the final presentation, and he submitted it under his name.
We made the account together. All the notes, photos, and slides were saved there.
And Mason still had access?
Yeah. I never changed the password.
He has the file, the final slides, the photos, everything. What am I supposed to show Miss Carter?
If you built it, there will be pieces of you everywhere in it. Your old versions.
The process. This project is designed for school gardens. It avoids watering on a schedule. Instead, it responds to the soil. The final version delivers water only when the system detects that it is needed.
Thank you, Mason. Good presentation, Mason. I have a technical question. Why did you change the water tube angle in the final version?
It improved the system.
What problem did the old angle cause?
It was just less accurate before.
Less accurate how? Alex, can you answer that?
Why is he answering my presentation?
Because I need to understand who understands the final design.
The old angle made water collect near the sensor. The sensor got wet before the water reached the roots, so the system thought the whole pot was already wet.
The sensor was reading water sitting against the plastic. It wasn't reading the moisture around the roots. That is why the system gave the wrong result. This was the side leak. This was the wrong sensor placement. And this is the light changing before the roots were wet. This is the corrected test. This test showed water pooling near the sensor. This one showed the roots were still dry. And this is when I changed the tube angle.
Mason, did you complete the final version of this project?
I submitted it.
That is not what I asked. Did you complete the final version?
No. I didn't finish the final version.
The current submission will be paused. Mason Reed will be removed from scholarship consideration for academic dishonesty. Alex Miller will be allowed to submit the project under his own name. You may submit the corrected entry tomorrow. Your process made the truth clear.
Thank you.
It looks different out here.
It used to look like a pile of problems.
And now?
Now I can see why each problem mattered.
The corrected submission has been approved. The project will be displayed under your name.
Thank you.
You earned the right to explain your own work.
Success belongs to the one who stayed through failure.